Hello, this is Bella. I'm an author who's been through the ups and downs of writing a full length book, and today I want to share why Instant Author has been a game changer for me. If you've been dreaming of finishing that novel, or you simply want a tool to streamline your writing process, you'll want to see how this works. First off, let me tell you, Instant Author is incredibly user friendly. From the moment I signed up, it was clear that this platform was built for writers. No complicated steps, no confusing settings, just an intuitive interface that gets you started right away. One of my favorite features is the Outlines tool. I've tried other writing apps before, but Instant Author's Outline Builder is next level. I was able to organize my chapters, develop characters, and plan the entire story in just a few clicks. No more messy notes or scattered ideas. Everything was neatly organized. And the AI assistance? It's a total game changer. Whether I needed help generating content or refining an idea, Instant Author's AI tool was there to help. It wasn't just a generic writing tool, it worked with my ideas to create content that felt unique to my story. The speed was another huge selling point. I was able to generate a full draft in just less than an hour. No more getting stuck on writer's block or wasting time figuring out complex writing software. Instant Author took care of the hard work so I could focus on the creative side. And when it was time to publish, Instant Author made it so easy to download my book in DOCX or KDP format. In just a few clicks, I was ready to share my work with the world. It really took the stress out of the publishing process. Overall, Instant Author has completely transformed my writing process. It's intuitive, powerful, and perfect for anyone who wants to write, publish, and share their story fast. I highly recommend it to anyone who's serious about writing their book. If I can do it, so can you. If you're ready to start writing your book, get started with Instant Author today. They're offering a free trial so you can try it risk-free. Don't wait. Take that first step toward becoming a published author.